Hello ladies, so today I've got for you a haul from River Island. I've got a few dresses, not many, just a few, but I'm gonna show you what I got today. So like a first dress will be this dress, floral and beautiful pastel colors, summery. This dress is my everything. Like this dress, I went to the moon and back to get it. They have it back in stock, before they didn't. I literally got soaking wet to look for it everywhere for my size. And then after I came back home, it was online, my size, and then I got my size and it was gone again. And then in 2 days they had all sizes there. Anyways, long story short, they have it all in there again online. So if you want it, go and grab it. Run, don't walk, run. So this is something that's just so me, basically, so me. I seen this dress on one lady and I was like, OMG, I need this dress, I need to have it. So it's amazing for parties, for christenings, for weddings, for just going out, casual. It's just amazing. This dress is just so good. I mean, can we have a moment of silence just for this amazing, beautiful piece of dress? Okay, we had the moment. So, what I'm gonna say about this dress, what I really love, apart from everything else, like what it looks like, how it sits, the material is satin, it's so nice, it's so light. What I really like as well, I can wear a bra underneath and you can't really see it because it's aligned with the straps of the dress, and you can adjust the dress as well. The straps on the dress, it's adjustable. It just sits so nicely. It's just so good. I love it. So that's this dress. I'll show you another one. Literally people stop me on the street and they comment on my dress, how nice it is. Yeah, that's for me number one. If you want it, guys, run, don't walk, run. Then I got this dress in khaki color. It's similar like the one before, size 16. Usually 14, 16, size L, and I love it too. It's beautiful as well for weddings, christenings, just going out in the evenings, day nights. The material is so good, like very nice satin, but like very light, very airy. It's so comfy, both dresses are so comfy. They are just amazing. It's also got adjustable straps at the back. You can wear it like that, just wear it like that, whichever suits you, and it fits really, really nicely. So guys, this is another dress. It's a wrap dress and I absolutely love the colors. I love the color of this dress, but and the frills. I love the frills. I love everything about this dress. I love material. I just don't like how it sits on me. So maybe for swimmer ladies, bad. I think I would need a little bit more, something there, or I don't know. I just feel like it's just gonna, my boobs are gonna pop out in a minute. So yeah, I'm not sure about this, but I'm not keeping this one. This is not a keeper. The first one I show you is absolutely love, love, love. It's a keeper, but this one is definitely not a keeper for me. If you like to be more revealing, maybe for holidays, yeah, maybe if you're not big boosted ladies, maybe it's for you, but it's not for me. But it's not bad. I just think it's a little bit too much over there, so it's not for me. I do love the frills though. It's really nice. This is size 14, maybe if it was 16, but yeah, I'm still not sure about it. Well, if you don't try, you don't know, so at least I tried it. So thank you guys for watching. These are my 3 dresses, like a little haul from River Island. If you like any of these dresses, you can have idea what it looks like on the figure, on the body. Let me know what you think, and if you're gonna go shopping to River Island, happy shopping, and I'll see you in the next videos. Thank you for watching. If you like it, give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you very much for watching. Bye!